משנה ט' משנה זו מוסיפה ללמד בעניין שני ימים טובים של ראש השנה. This Mishnah continues to talk about the 2 days of Rosh Hashanah. רבי דוסה בן ארקינס אומר, רבי דוסה, the son of Arkinas says, העובר לפני התיבה ביום טוב של ראש השנה. Interesting thing. It says, what happens to the Chazan? What does he need to say on Yom Tov of Rosh Hashanah? היינו שליח ציבור, which means the שליח ציבור, אומר בתפילת ראש השנה, he said in תפילת ראש השנה, החליצנו, give us strength. החליצנו means give us strength. Like we say in ראש חודש, you know, on the side, החליצנו ביום השבת הזה, החליצנו ביום ראש חודש הזה. give us, חזקנו. השם אלוקינו, and what does he say? את יום ראש החודש הזה. He says ראש החודש, because this is ראש חודש. שהרי ראש השנה הוא גם ראש חודש. And then he says, הוא מוסיף שליח הציבור, and שליח הציבור has to continue and say, אם היום, אם למחר. Since you don't know whether it is today, if it's today, I'm saying it for today. If it's for tomorrow, I'm saying it for tomorrow. אם היום ראש חודש, החליצנו היום. If today is ראש חודש, give us strength today. ואם למחר הוא החליצנו מחר. And if it's tomorrow, then I'm saying it now for tomorrow. ולמחר, and the next day, what does he say, second day?
יש לו בעיה, הוא אמר למחר.
He says, ביום השני של ראש השנה הוא אומר, שליח הציבור יפלטנו החליצנו. And what he says, אם היום, it says, if it was today, and then he is supposed to say, if it was yesterday. So why do you, or whether it was yesterday. Yesterday I said already, so I'm fine. But I'm saying
if it's today.
It's today, and if it's not today, if it was yesterday, I still want to mention that it was yesterday. שהואיל וספק הוא איזה יום הוא ראש חודש, since it's a doubt which day is ראש חודש, תשרי. סובר רבי דוסה בן ארקינס, רבי דוסה thinks שצריך לומר ביום הראשון של ראש השנה, אם היום אם מחר. He says, you don't want to lie. You can't say, החליצנו, and you know it's not החליצנו. What do you mean? Don't lie. וביום השני של ראש השנה, אם היום, אם אמש. And in the second day, it says, if today, if yesterday. Why? כדי שלא יראה כשקרן בתפילתו. Because what do we do today? Today, the way we learned today we know when it is, so we're lying on the second day. We know it's on the second day. Why are you lying? Yeah? So this is the problem we had when we learned. So this is why for Shechayanu, you don't want to lie. You take a new fruit. You have this problem. This is the same problem with the davening. But the Chachamim are saying they're going to disagree with you. So we're not worried about lying. Let's see why. ולא הודו לו חכמים. And the sages, they don't agree with רבי דוסה בן ארקינס. לרבי דוסה בן ארקינס, שסוברים הם, in two manners they don't agree with him. Number one, שסוברים הם שאין צורך להזכיר ראש חודש בראש השנה. First of all, you don't need to mention ראש חודש and ראש השנה at all. That's not necessary. Don't even mention it. Why are you going into troubles? And why don't you have to mention ראש חודש and ראש השנה? ומבואר טעמם בגמרא, the reasoning is explained in Gemara, שהואיל ואומרים בתפילה יום הזיכרון הזה. ראש השנה you say this day of remembrance. And ראש חודש is also a day of remembrance. So it includes also ראש חודש. So you don't get yourself into trouble, they say, don't even mention ראש חודש, first of all. הרי זה עולה גם לראש השנה, גם לראש חודש. So it counts for both, for ראש השנה and for the first of the month. שכן בראש השנה נאמר, because in ראש השנה it says, זיכרון תרועה. It says in ראש השנה, remembrance for the shofar. וכן בראש חודש נאמר, והיה לכם לזיכרון. And in ראש חודש it says, it should be for your remembrance, ובראשי חודשכם, in the head of your month. כן סוברים חכמים. Also we have the second problem. Are you lying? What about that? שאין להתנות בתפינת ראש השנה אם היום אם מחר. It says, you're not going to say, if today, if tomorrow. Why? לפי ששני הימים קדושה אחת הם. It's both holiness. They're both, we want to continue both moments. Why? כמו שביארנו במשניות הקודמות. It's one holy day for 48 hours. But it's still one fake one.
Because it's right.
Yeah. So it says, so what's the problem? ויש גם חשש, we are also worried, if it's still, even though the Chachamim said now both days, but the first day or the second day is from the Chachamim.
Okay.
It's not as holy as from the Torah, but right? So you still have the problem. It says, what's the problem? יש גם חשש שמא יבואו עמי הארץ להקל בהם כשישמעו שהוא ספק.
Like me.
Yeah, it is ספק.
Yesterday.
Oh, exactly. But you don't have הארץ. That's the difference. Yeah, that's the difference. Yeah. שמא יבואו עמי הארץ להקל. It says, if you tell the regular people, don't say if today, if tomorrow, everybody says, hey, I know, I don't need to come. I don't need.
It's not today.
I don't need to come. It says the people who don't understand, who don't realize how important our Chachamim are going to come to say, hey, who cares? ואילו כשאומרים סתם קובעים שני הימים כקדושה אחת. And this gives the impression that to the people, oh, it's as holy as the first one.